Opening this Starbucks lucky bag. Unwrap minimum 2 merchandise from our latest collection. This Starbucks lucky bag cost 2,695 pesos at any Starbucks branches. So, let's open it. Let's open this Starbucks lucky bag that costs 2,695. So, let's open it. So, 7 period is from March 1 to 3. This offers is open to dine-in and take-out and drive-thru transactions. So, lucky bag is priced at 2,699. Each bag contains 2 merchandise of Starbucks. There is no limit to the number of lucky bag that customer can purchase per transaction. Any lucky bag on display cannot be opened for checking prior to purchasing. For drive-thru transaction, a lucky bag will be selected randomly by your barista. So, lucky bag replaces not permitted once purchased and opened. Lucky bag reservation not allowed. The following discount do not apply to this offer: partnership discount, RCOC and RGOC discounts, and government discounts. Purchases paid with Starbucks will earn stars. So, for details, visit starbucks.ph/promo. So, let's open this Starbucks lucky bag that I purchased yesterday. Okay, I open this. Here. It looks like Trader Joe's bag, tote bag, but this one, it has a Starbucks logo. So it's a Starbucks tote bag. So let's open it. It has this Starbucks tote bag. Mystery bag has zipper. You can see. I already opened this Starbucks mystery bag. So let's see what's inside. This is the glass. This one is a tumbler. Whoa, Starbucks Beams collection. Whoa. This costs around 1,845. Not bad. This one is a mug. Let's see what's inside. Starbucks mug. What is this collection? There, Starbucks mug. There, Starbucks mug. This costs around 1,295. So roughly like almost 3,000 or 4,000. So you can still get your mystery bag, this tote bag, and SB merchandise at any Starbucks coffee shop. Happy shopping!